just closed on Ken's property. It was a rental, right?
Right.
It was a rental, and he was basically ready to sell. And we gave him a call. We let him know we were interested. Went back and forth to make sure the price was right. He was happy with the price. I was happy with the price. We had to make some adjustments to make it work. But other than that, I told him that I was going to close very quickly.
And he did.
And it did? Okay.
Yeah, and I'm pretty happy.
Awesome. What would you say to somebody that's considering to working with me and my company, Cash Offer Central? They're considering working and calling us or selling their homes to us.
Go for it.
Go for it.
Yeah. No fear.
You're pretty confident?
Pretty confident.
Yeah, because in the beginning, you were kind of skeptical,
I was
right?
skeptical. And he
All
says, yeah, well, here we are.
Here we are. We just signed closing.
We did.
And then tomorrow it's going to get funded, and Ken over here is going to get his money.
And he's a few days ahead of deadline.
There you go. So, all right, well, if you guys are interested, definitely click the link below, and we'll talk to you soon.